The next thing that we need to do is we need to separate these two pastures that are currently mapped as one pasture. So we're going to select pasture 2 once again, and now we're going in this column and selecting subdivide. We're going to zoom in so we can really see that fence line nice and clear. And we're going to just continue to click along the fence line. And we click on the outside. And now we have subdivision 1 and subdivision 2. It's really important when naming subdivisions that you pay attention to where PastureMap begins naming and numbering. Because if you originally thought that number 1 was the blue column, that would be incorrect. So we can rename this into the right in the left pastures or subdivisions. These subdivisions, as you name them, they will turn different colors. Okay, and now we have them saved. And so we could leave them as subdivisions, but we really need these into pastures. So with one of the subdivisions selected, we're going back to this column and we're going to click on Convert to Pastures. This message will pop up. Select OK. And if we want to leave it as left and right pasture, we can leave our name alone there, or we can rename it. All right. So now we have pastures that are subdivided here. Well, we can see that we have 4 pastures here that need to be subdivided as well. So let's go ahead and redo this. So again, we're going to start on the outside of the fence. And we're going to continue to make our subdivisions. We have one more, and click next. So currently we have these subdivisions, and we can go ahead and convert them to pastures. And here, if I need to add more subdivisions, we're going to select Add More Subdivisions. Okay, so now we have 3 subdivisions in this section. We click Next and Save. And one last time, let's convert these to pastures. So we can just select one of the 3 and convert to pastures. Okay. So now let's look and see what our pasture names are. So we have 2 pasture ones. So we're going to rename this pasture. I'll have it highlighted. I'm going to click the pencil. We're going to rename this to bottom right. Okay, we have pasture 3, pasture 2, and another pasture 2. We'll call this the L. Okay, and we still have 2 pasture 3s. So let's rename this pasture. Okay, and that completes converting our pastures into subdivisions to permanent pastures.